morning, everybody. This is kind of our first official day here in Arizona. We are at the Airbnb right now. Everybody's just now waking up. Pete's eating breakfast. Boys are pretty tired today, but they're pretty amped up to be able to go ride today. So I'm gonna go check in on the inside, see what they're doing.
Actually,
Unbelievable.
I actually feel like I probably would have never.
Good morning.
Morning. So what's the move, girls?
Ramjet, we're going cruising. Ready to go do some ripping?
I'm ready to do some ripping.
Hell yeah, brother.
What do you think?
Ripping.
Ripping?
Yep.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
Slid like fucking.
I mean, to be honest, if I threw a set of bars on it, I could fucking rip around.
I was gonna say that fucker.
I can't believe it's that fast.
That's mine did that fast, but I broke the fuck out of it.
That's what I'm
Where are we? We're at the hideaway now. James just went down. Got a little banged up. His bike's a little banged up, but we're chilling now.
Everybody, we're out here in Phoenix, Arizona. The guys wanted to get a little practice before Stunt Wars, so we're out here. It's kind of a lot day, and there's a bunch of guys out here riding right now. It's pretty awesome.
If you're down,
I think
we'll do whatever I have to. It doesn't matter to me.
Now you have to. This is why you're here.
That was my first parking lot I ever rode in for an event. If James is good with it, you gotta talk to him. We just
goes.
gotta keep it Midwest, dude. We gotta have the Midwest boys out there.
Take it to the streets then, baby.
You'll be fine. Let's go play. Let's go have fun.
Let's have fun.
No, I'm not worried
It's
about
not
it.
that
Good.
serious, dude.
Even if you just do limiters like that the whole time.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We're just out there for good times, dude.
I brought tires to burn up, so it doesn't matter. I'll just fucking burn tires.
All right.
There's nothing left to see here, so move on. There's nothing left to do here, so move on. I can't seem to give you what you need. I can't seem to help you through your hardest times. So maybe I'm not good enough to be your best friend. I know I'm not good enough, so let's be there for each other in the end. Let's celebrate. We don't have to be close in here. My phone is telling me to hush my feelings, to disconnect from this cold world. So maybe I'm not good enough to be your best friend. I know I'm not good enough, so let's be there for each other in the end. Beers on me, beers on you, let's party like we used to. Beers on me, beers on you, let's party like we used to. Beers on me, beers on you, let's party like we used to.
With it like you're doing, you go do like 3 of them, and then if you're feeling it, come just like this. You're this far. That's all it is.
We're gonna go for it, dog.
Hey,
Little Tito C. How have you been? Good, how are you? Hell yeah.
All right, guys, we're getting to the end of the day here, doing this lot day in Phoenix, Arizona. It was awesome. Nick, you got a ton of good footage of Slick on his bagger and the new Pro Stock Dyna. So we definitely put him to the test. He's liking the brakes on both bikes and the setup on everything. So it's been a really good day of testing. So now on to the next thing, right? Now on to the competition. So like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below.